Hi and welcome back to the Preset channel. Here we are with not 3 but 4 fantastic shirts to show you from my favourites, and the only one I'll be using going forward, tottenham. Yes, they are the best. Simple as that. There's no other one to use. These guys are simply the best. And looking at the new arrivals, in fact, let's have a look at absolutely newest in. Let's see what comes up. We have got some absolute crackers here. Look at this stuff. Senegal, Morocco, England jersey, the Brazil jersey, as in goalkeeping jerseys, Canada, Freiburg. There's just, you know what I'm on about here. Look, it is just unreal. The stuff just goes on and on and on. Tracksuit bottoms, Mexico, Spain. You can get all your kit that you require from tottenham for next to nothing. We're talking £15 for the official replica Spain tracksuit bottoms. You can get the jersey, the top, the training top, to go with it for £11.31. What more do you want than these absolute bargains from tottenham? I know what you want. You want to see some of the things in real life. And we have got 4 fantastic ones for you today. Also, while we're here, don't forget Park to Legend. It is absolutely unbelievable at the moment. South Shields are flying high. We are looking so good with that team. If you haven't seen it, link is in the description above. Please go and watch. And don't forget to follow the channel, because we've got Football Manager, we've got Football Tops. You can't go wrong. Right, the first one today is an absolute beauty. Something a bit different today. Yes, look at this. It is an absolute beauty. Nike. AIK. Absolutely unbelievable. Let's get it open and show you what we're on about. And there it is. AIK. What an absolute beautiful shirt. Look at that badge. And the Nike. Just show. Nike are up in their game, look. They haven't just got the swoosh. They've also got the name in it as well now. AIK as well. Get the tag out of the way. Look at that. Look at that badge. It's got like a bit of a hologram sort of feel to it. And it's a stiff, rubberized, heat pressed on badge. Same with the Nike. It's got like little lines in it, which makes it sort of, yeah, a bit different. We've also got a Roblox sort of thing on the sleeve. I'm not quite sure what that's all about. It's on both sleeves. It's on both sleeves. Down here as well, we have got Smoking Larrera Edition. Not quite sure. You can see that. Anyone got any idea what that's all about? Not sure. Anything on the back? Smoking Larrera on the back again. It's there. So it's obviously some reference to AIK. But that there, that's just a nice shirt just to wear out and about. Just as a day wear, you know. Nice black shirt. Not bad, is it? And the next one up. This is a beauty. Again from Nike. This, again, we're talking about black shirts. This is an absolute beauty. Now this is the Corinthians away shirt. Now the badge, the logo, is their logo, but it's just, they retro styled it. Same with the Nike as well, look. Just a beautiful shirt. The badge is just, you got the Corinthians 1910 through there, but they've just gone really just dark. And the back, no, we've got the, hang on, what's this? This is new. There's some sort of hand, whether that's some sort of like stop protest, you know. Doesn't say stop, but Tamo Jonto. My Spanish or Portuguese isn't quite up to scratch. But that again is another absolute beauty. Tell you, we've got some crackers here today. So this one is the 25-26 England shirt. Look at that. In child's version. Has all the colouring down the sides as well. Absolutely beautiful. Blue badge. I like it. I do like it. It is such a stylish top. It's just beautiful. It's England at the end of the day. Do we want them to win the World Cup? Blooming right we do. But the shirt is just so stylish. Again, we've gone a bit darker today. Everything's black. And it's just nice stuff to wear during the day, just as a, it's not too imposing. The next one might change a little bit. Now, the next one is the 26-27 World Cup edition England goalkeeping shirt. Now, I said about things being black and not too colourful, but this cracker is on another planet. Look at this. It is absolutely stunning. Oh my days. You're certainly going to see Pickford, whoever's in goal, coming with this cracker on. That there, England across the neck there as well. Is that a lion? Is it meant to be? Or is it just a splash? Looks like Banksy's been here, doesn't it? That is an absolute beauty. There is a stunning shirt. We've got the one. Please make it two. England badge. Retro style badge there. Absolutely beautiful. Lovely cuffs. Just a nice, simple, elasticated, but the basic elastic. Not like the big thick ones you see on the old retro ones. It's just a nice basic electric. Got retro and elastic together then. Is that electric? Not sure. But this here, and then Nike in the neck as well, look. They really have thought of everything with this shirt. And that there is an absolute cracker. Now let's have another look back at the site and see what else we can get from Kit Don't forget, it's not just football. San Francisco 49ers, we can get the tops here as well. LA Raiders, all of your shirts are here. All the teams, Atlanta Falcons, Cleveland Browns. Oh my goodness me. I think I know where I'm going with the next order. And it could be American football. Oh my beautifulness. There is some absolute crackers here. Oh, 49ers. That used to be my team when I used to watch American football many, many years ago. Yes. Brazilian orange kit look. Does look good. Have a little look. So that's a training kit for Brazil. Oh my word. Well, thank you very much for watching, boys and girls. Yes, what an absolute selection from Kit They never let you down. They are just the best. Simply the best. Thank you very much for watching. Please do like, subscribe, and get notified to all the future uploads from the Preset channel. And we'll see you again soon. Goodbye.